Hello, my friends! Today we'll learn 3 fun grammar rules with our farm animals. With me, Rowaru. Plural nouns, how many, and big or small. Are you ready? Let's go! To ask about the number of animals, we say, how many are there? Let's try together. How many ducks are there? There are 4 ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cows are there? There are 2 cows. How many ducks are there? There are 5 ducks. 1 cow. 2 cows. Let's learn more. Big horse. Big. Small chicken. Small. Big goats. Small ducks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun English lessons with me, Rowaru. Goodbye. See you soon.